Today we're going to talk about the point slope form. So the point slope form is used much more frequent than the y-intercept form, because the slope-intercept form we can easily graph our function, and we can easily plug in everything and know what is the function. What's the function? The form of linear function, I would say. So as we can see here, it's easy to know the y sub 1 and x sub 1, and we can just plug it in. The only problem is that we can find slope. Okay, let's try more problem. Okay, let's try this one. If we do have the slope of -2 and we have a given point of -4 and 5. So with the point slope formula, we can just plug in everything so we can know what is the linear function is. What's the linear function that describe this specific linear graph? So here we all know that x equals to -4, y is equals to 5, and our slope is going to -2. So with the point slope formula, we have y minus y sub 1 is equals to m quantity x minus x sub 1. So y sub 1 is going to be 5, and our slope is -2, and here that's going to be plus 4. So here, as we can see, it's already in the function. It's a point slope form. We can actually transfer it back to the original form, which is y-intercept form. And now let's try this one. Let's graph this. So we have a slope of 3/4. We have the y value of -2 if we solve for the y, and we have value of 1. Okay, so how do we graph this? First, let's plug in 1 and -2. And then what we have here is a slope. So that's going to be rise over run. So we're going to move to the y direction, 3. So we got -1, 0, and -1. And we're going to move 4 to the right, rise over run. And we're going to do it again. So we're going to rise 3, and we're going to move from the right to 4, and so on. Now it's the same on the backwards. We are going to move down 3, and we're going to move left 4. So that point is somewhere around here, and now we can just graph it. We just put a line there because it's a linear function, and this basically that's the linear function that describe this function.